This tutorial video is part of the DAF support for dealers to provide guidance for specific issues concerning the diagnostic tool DAVIE4 of PACCAR. The subject of this video is to give explanation for the certificate management of DAVIE and is intended to guide you during the process of installing or updating a certificate. In order to complete this process, you will need to have a USB storage device handy. In addition, you will need to have a computer mouse attached to your DAVIE4 tool in order to complete some of the required actions. DAVIE4 uses a certificate to check if the tool is installed by a certified dealer. This is done to ensure that unauthorized parties are prevented from accessing DAVIE4. Each certificate has a lifetime of 1 year and can be managed via the ePortal certificate management. A certificate is owned and controlled per company registered in ePortal. Bear in mind that if a certificate is renewed, it must be installed on all company PCs where a certificate is required. The complete certificate package consists of a certificate file, a certificate password, and a certificate manager, which can be a Windows certificate manager or a DAVIE4 certificate manager. 30 days prior to the expiration date of the certificate, the ePortal admin will receive an email. This email message will be sent daily until the certificate is renewed via ePortal. Remember that your ePortal admin email address must be registered in ePortal, therefore please ensure that your user settings are up to date. In case an ePortal admin does not take timely action, an error message will be shown on DAVIE 25 days prior to the expiration date of the certificate. This allows the user to warn the ePortal admin about the certificate renewal. Once you have received an email notifying you of the pending expiration, open Internet Explorer and browse to the ePortal. At ePortal, log in with the company account having ePortal admin rights. Now select the Certificate Management application on the left side of the screen. You can recognize the DAVIE4 certificate by the description B2B XXXXXSO. Renew this certificate by clicking on the Renew icon. Remember to only click once. After renewal, which can be checked by the change in the date stamps in the list, the certificate needs to be downloaded. Click on the Download icon. Remember to only click once and wait until the download interface opens. Click on the Save button when the download interface appears. The certificate is stored to the default download map. Once you have downloaded the certificate file, connect a USB storage device to the PC and browse to the default download folder. Copy the certificate by right-clicking on the file and selecting Copy. Now navigate to the root of the USB storage device, right-click on the empty area and select Paste. Your DAVIE4 certificate will now be copied to the USB storage device. After you have downloaded the certificate file, an email will automatically be sent to the ePortal admin email address registered in the ePortal. This email includes the password for the downloaded certificate. This is a unique combination, which is required to install the certificate. To avoid mistakes, copy the password to the USB storage device by creating a text file. You can create a text file by right-clicking on an empty area inside of the USB storage device and selecting New, followed by Text Document. Open the newly created text document, paste the code, and save the file. To install the certificate on a PC, one must have Windows Administrator rights. Please ensure that User Account Control, also known as UAC, is set to the lowest level. To configure the User Account Control, click on the Windows Start button, select the search bar, and type UAC. Select change user account control settings. Once user account control is opened, move the slider down and click OK. The system will now prompt you to restart. After you have logged in as a Windows administrator, insert the USB storage device into the DAVIE4 tool. Now select the Windows Start button, select All Programs, then select the DAVIE4 folder and click on the Certificate Manager. The Certificate Manager will now be opened and automatically check your current certificate and show a pop-up. Select Yes to start the installation of the certificate. Click on Browse and navigate to the USB storage device where the certificate is stored. Select the certificate file and press OK. Now click OK again to import your new certificate. The Certificate Manager will now prompt you for the password, which you have saved in the text document on the USB storage device. Now open Windows Explorer by selecting the Windows Start button, then select Computer and navigate to the USB storage device where the text file is saved. Open the text file by double-clicking it. Using the mouse, select the whole password and right-click on it and select Copy. Now return to the password input field and right-click it. Then select Paste. Now press OK. The Certificate Manager installs the certificate automatically. Click on OK and check the correct functioning of the tool by double-clicking the DAVIE4 icon on your desktop. If you have correctly followed the procedure and the certificate has been successfully installed, you will now be able to log in. In case you experience difficulties during installation of the certificate, read the instruction manual on ePortal. Browse to ePortal, log in, and navigate to DAVIE4 and Documentation. In this instruction manual, the process of installing the certificate is explained in more detail and possible solutions are offered.